We now have a statement by the old woman who is part of the hostages held by Rohit Arya in Mumbai's RA studio. Listen in.
अजी, आपके साथ कल क्या हुआ? आप कहाँ थी और क्या कुछ
सांगू?
हाँ चल मराठी सांगा.
म्हणजे 4 दिवस आम्ही शूटिंगसाठी आलो. मला शाळेतर्फे आलेलं ते म्हणून आम्ही त्यांच्यावर विश्वास ठेवला आणि कोल्हापूरवरून आलो आम्ही इकडे. ठाण्याला मुलगा राहतो त्याच्याजवळ थांबलो येऊन आणि 4 दिवस त्यांनी असं दाखवलं की मेन साहेब आहेत ते आर्या का कोणते मेल्याला. हां, रोहित आर्या. एवढा चांगला वागला. मी लाडू खात होते. मला म्हटलं मावशी मला पण द्या लाडू. ते आता रात्री त्याला बघितला टीव्हीवर म्हणून कळालं की हाच आहे, नाही तर तोपर्यंत मला माहित नव्हतं.
त्याची मागणी काय होती? तो काय म्हणत होता? त्याने का
काय केलं त्यानं? रोज म्हणायचं की पालकांचं शूटिंग घ्यायचं आहे, पळापळी करायचं, किडनॅपिंग झाल्यावर दाखवायचं.
I have my colleague Unaiza Gadia joining me. Unaiza, we were showing our viewers a statement by the old woman who was part of the hostages held by Rohit Arya. What more details can you share with us?
So when Rohit Arya has planned this audition, there were 17 children and one elderly man. It is reported that there was a female also, and she was present at the spot. And when he started, he planned this kidnap, and he made them hostages in the room. So she was present there, and while speaking, she clearly said that she was not aware about the incidents, and when this happened, she was in a great shock, and she could not, process at that time. And later, till the time he has released that video, and till the time rest of the hostages has started screaming through the window. Then she realized that something is going wrong there, and then she also started panicking at that point of time. And now when everything is under control, she got injured also, and she is also in a great shock right now. She is also traumatized, and rest of the hostages we trying to find out. They are also in a great shock right now, and they're not ready to talk to the incidents. This is the level of traumatized you can imagine here, because they were unaware about the situation, about the incident, and about Rohit Arya's plan, because as it was mentioned already earlier, that they had come for audition, and they had the plan in their mind that they'll be these children will perform for audition, and suddenly it has turned into something else, which was unexpected for these hostages. So these hostages are still in shock, and it is reported that one of the hostages also injured in this entire case, and she's also admitted in the hospital. And rest of the hostages are in a great shock, and they're not ready to, in fact, we tried to contact them, and we tried to reach out to the different hostages, but right now it's really difficult to get something from them, because they're really in a great shock. But we are on it, and we'll see that as soon as we'll get in touch with these hostages, we'll definitely update here. But as of now, we came to know that they are in a great shock, and they're not ready to face any sort of questions, whether it's authorities or media or anything else. Right now they just want to that they need their space, and they need their time to process this incidents, because that was really shocking for them.
All right, Unaiza, thank you for joining me with all those details.